You know the tagline is not easy, it's not easy.
So assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a journey that I'm embarking on now. This is my introduction video. I'm really excited to introduce myself to all of you. In the words of Hawa Haji, if you don't know Hawa Haji, you're going to know her. She is a substantial part of my life. I almost think we're so connected that we're almost one person within one person, but that's a whole nother story. I want to welcome all of you guys to my channel. I have a wonderful guest with me today, Naz Ahmed. I almost said Yaz, and that's a whole nother topic. Birth control. That's not why we're here.
Okay.
But anyways, we're going to be reacting to a video that you probably have seen. If you haven't seen it, you're going to see it at the bottom of your screen or wherever Naz puts it, because she's the expert. With my channel, I've asked her for help. I've never done YouTube. You probably have seen clips about me. My name's Habiba Ali. Welcome to my journey. I'm really excited to be doing this with all of you. And yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
We're going to be reacting to the It's Not Easy video.
Yeah.
The infamous Everywhere I Go. Well, I was embarrassed. Every other city we go.
You know, the funny thing is, I actually never watched this video.
And this is why the reaction video that I'm doing with her is very substantial, because I want to see the authentic, the original of someone who's never seen it. I mean, this is like a gem for me, because she's going to ask me why, where, when, who. It sounds like an ESL lesson. But that's not why we're here. So let's go. Let's get rolling. It's not easy, in the words of Hawa Haji.
So are you gonna talk about like what brought you to film this video, or we're just gonna react and then we're gonna talk about the details?
Actually, I'm gonna just give you guys a little bit of a background.
Okay.
You'll know much more about me. I wear many hats in the community, and when I say hats, you know I mean hijabs. One thing some other girls have is a lot of hijabs. It's almost like an addiction. We go to every website, we go to every store, every boutique, because you know it's our thing. Yeah. It's just like how if you're in the shoes, you look for shoes, but hijabi girls, we're always looking for, and it's so funny that we're just wearing black. It doesn't look exciting.
Yeah, no, what? Black is exciting, okay? You can look like as good as you want or as casual as you want with
in black.
Yeah,
and it was one of the only clean things I had. So that's another thing. That's a whole nother journey.
But you went on a tangent. What were you saying?
Oh my God, that's gonna be the biggest problem for my YouTube channel followers.
You need to have like a list of stuff too.
So why I created this video. I'm a playwright, and in one of my plays that Hawa Haji is in, she's in my plays as well. It was a commercial. It was basically a youth challenged her, said you can't rap, and she said, you know what? Not only can I rap, I can do a rap video, and not only can I do a rap video, it's gonna be about me. And it's going to be about my life, and it's not easy. So that's where this whole thing came from, because a lot of people ask me, and I tell people in pockets, but I think it's time the whole world knows.
Yeah, and that video got 4 million views, guys, and this girl, she just took it down. So... So
what a hater. You don't tell people your intimate, darkest secrets, and then you
No. We're raw here. This is raw. This is all about being real.
The only reason why we took it down. And you know what? I'm gonna give a link to the guy who created this video, who also was hard on me. Yeah. But wallahi, anxiety is real. I am a mental health advocate. I'm a mental health advocate. I was not happy with the amount of views. I was scared of the journey. I didn't know what the journey would look like. I didn't know it would help me raise my 6 kids and the expenses of, the money that I could get on YouTube. I didn't know about any of that. But at the end of the day, you live and you learn. No regrets. You just move forward. And that's why we're here. So let's watch the video. Let's react, girl.
Let's react. I'll be the one reacting now.
Yeah, I think, wallahi, I barely watch this video. It's actually cringe for me. And if you know, you know. Anybody who watches themselves or hear themselves.
Yeah, it's true.
Do you get that?
It was like this for me at the beginning.
When I hear my own voice, like, come on, guys, how y'all listen to me? This is ridiculous.
Let's start this. You're so serious.
My Toyota Camry, 2002.
You look like a thug.
Straight gangster, not me, Hawa Haji.
Wait, is that you or is the guy making that voice?
Oh my goodness, is this true? So that's the producer of this track.
Okay.
His name is Nick Gergovich. I don't know how to say his last name.
They call me Hawa Haji. In these streets, I'm a certified G. Not as in gangster, but broke from
Oh my God.
Yup, that's me.
Where did you find this beat? First of all, the beat by itself is so like attractive. One line's a beat that you don't forget. How did you come up with this beat?
So the beat, if you really simplify it, it's like this.
Like,
Do you know what this is?
That Danto?
Danto? Nope. Try again.
I have no idea.
It's called Burambur, which is,
Okay,
you never seen the video, it's fair. She hasn't seen the video. So the Burambur beat always starts with jig, jig, jig.
Yeah, that's why I said Danto, because Danto is also like that.
Dante is, yeah, exactly.
It's different, huh?
They're different, but Burambur, when they first start to jump in the circle, which is something that I absolutely, as a whole nother YouTube video on Burambur, I don't even want to get emotional about how much I love Burambur.
Yes, it's something.
That's what they say. Your blood is rising for those who don't speak Somali, which is an addiction.
So the beat came from that.
That, because I love, and that's why there's drums already in there. And then you'll also actually see the art of Burambur, the folklore dance, the Somali cultural dance in there as well.
And I want to ask, who the hell are those ladies? Who were crazy enough to film this video with you?
First of all, if you notice, except
They're
the
not
ones
showing
in
the
blue,
face.
they're not showing their face. Because one thing about the Somali community, I love them, is that we absolutely have, the word is called hishod in Somali. It's modesty.
Another level though.
It's modesty, it's fear, it's like you don't want to be reprimanded or, misrepresented, which is everything this video was. I'm so happy you never seen it before. The comments that we had on the 4 million views, I put it up again, I had 800,000 views, thousands and hundreds of thousands of every time I put it up and put it back on, which no regrets, you got to move on in life. But my favorite one, yo, Abdi, come get your mom. They said, who are these ladies on Eid? I don't want to explain what Eid is. If you don't, I'm not going to translate that one. Who America and Canada kuwashe. And I thought it was hilarious. Even though I had anxiety watching it, the comments were everything for me.
But you filmed it for your play, right?
It was for my play. It was a commercial, like, when you go to intermission?
Yeah.
Everyone loved it in the audience. They thought it was hilarious. But then, I don't know, who put it up? One of my siblings, the guy who created it, he's the one who has it officially. His name's Nason. Well, I'm bad, but Kamal. He's one of my little brothers.
Yeah.
Kamal and his name, and he created this.
So you got anxiety because of all the views? You were not expecting the
I
views.
was not expecting. There's a guy, he literally, so Ilaha Naharis to Hodan Nalea. She's the first person to post it on Integration TV. Do you remember Hodan Nalea? Yeah, Allah
Of course, she's a legend.
She's a legend, mashallah. Legacy. Yeah. And a big part of this YouTube channel for me is about legacy. I'm not trying to tell you guys that we're going to be legends. And
we're going to be legends, okay?
Affirmation.
Believe it until you make it. If you don't believe it,
no, I absolutely believe it because Hodan Nalea believed in me. She interviewed me, Ilaha Naharista, and she absolutely loved it. And then this guy got it from her page and it blew up, and then it blew up, and then it blew up, and still today. You saw what happened yesterday in Bayshore Mall.
Yeah?
Young youth, little boys that work in a little store.
They recognized her.
They're like, yo, you're that. You were on World Star Hip Hop. I'm not proud of that. I'm not proud of that I was on World Star Hip Hop or Hawa Haji, I mean. You gotta, differentiate. I don't think Hawa Haji would have been proud of that. The real Hawa Haji I know, she would have,
Wait, there's a real Hawa Haji?
Oh my God, this girl's so cute. Well, anyways, it's a character.
Yes, I know, but I thought like you had the character from someone like that you actually knew.
Hawa Haji represents every Somali lady. Every Somali lady. Like the real Hawa Haji, the real Hoya, the real 50 plus Somali woman would have been Naiga Bihi World Star. And why do I gotta watch a whole bunch of butt videos to see my work?
That's true.
So that's absolutely what this is about.
Let's continue.
I invite you personally to come see this play featuring me. You know the tagline.
You know the funny thing is they all have swag. Like, how old are they? They look like old millennials, but they all have swag. Like they're You know?
So I didn't, if you guys knew, I went on a tangent on purpose. I didn't want to answer who it was. That's a question you asked me.
Yeah.
I never answered it. So the reason why I'm not going to answer it is they actually still to this day, I don't think I have permission to give out their identities. And one thing with social media, not everyone's as comfortable as you are.
Definitely.
I'm not even comfortable. Wallahi billah.
You think you're not,
But you know what? One thing I am a playwright. I am an actress. And I will perform. It's fight or flight for me.
Yeah.
I'm not. My mama, Amin Ahmed Ali Gashan, and my dad, Ahmed Ali Magan, they're not going to be embarrassed of my performance because I couldn't. So at the end of the day, I can't say the identities of these girls, but the reason why they have swag is they're also young girls.
Okay.
So there was some dabbing in there. I can't believe that's when dabbing was a
thing.
Everybody, I can't even do it properly. I don't want to say
funny.
It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Yep. That's me.
Burambur.
Was that you?
So that's me. So that's Burambur.
Yeah, the dance.
Yeah, and the fact that the Burambur is so very close to my heart is the premise of this video. Because in the play, we always have some sort of cultural folklore session. Hawa Haji teaches Burambur in the community.
Okay.
She teaches Danta. She teaches all the folklore. And so it's just really, really exciting that we were able to show it.
You know, we should talk about Burambur in another video, but Burambur, it's disappearing. Like
It really is disappearing.
Because the language, Somali language, is by itself dying. But anyways, it's another.
Yeah, that's a whole nother topic, girl.
Hawa Haji.
Put your hands up! Oh my god! This is so funny, wallahi.
Nascent Films.
Okay,
So that's I'm so sorry. That's his company, Nascent, and we'll put his link for Instagram and stuff up on down or below.
Yeah,
I'm learning.
we'll do that.
And I'm so happy that you watched it. So now I'm gonna ask her, what did you think of it?
Wallahi, you know what? It's actually, first of all, it's really like I see why it got a lot of views because there's it's more than just a rap song. Like you don't have to be into like rap or whatever to like this type of music. It's just funny and it's relatable. Like everything you said is relatable in the sense that obviously I'm not I know my mom, like, you know what I mean? She came to Canada, she didn't know anything, but she had to wear different hats. She had to do more than what like a regular, like let's say Adan Boy would do.
Absolutely.
So it's like I think that's why people really liked it. It's relevant. It's like those Abdi TikTok video, Abdi Ano and Abdi
Exactly.
Mahai is the same thing, and it's well done. It's really nice.
No, I'm so grateful to my friend, and she's my new friend. You will not.
We met yesterday.
We met yesterday, and now I'm all up in her joint. I'm all up in her
She's
grill.
my house. She's in my house right now, girl.
Stage 5 clinger. I'm a stage 5 clinger.
No, I
if
love
I
you.
love your heart and if I love your soul, I will absolutely gravitate towards you.
Yeah.
And I am so grateful that you have invited me into your home. She's well. Don't think she's unwell. I'm just
No. Well,
I have a social service worker background. I can diagnose a little bit of,
No, like me, I go by energy, and I just love your energy.
Yeah.
So, and I don't like bullshit. Like, if I don't like your energy, I'm gonna try to find a way to just tell you I'm busy, my dear, But I told you straight away you can come to my house.
And this girl's on maternity leave, and that's her own story to tell. You have to follow her channel. We're gonna put the link down below.
Yeah.
Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. I have the energy to wallahi, to promote other. I don't even want to say other people. You're not other people.
No,
you are absolutely my sister in a journey that is so difficult. It took me so long to come to terms with whatever this is. That I'm gonna do it. That I'm gonna.
You know, we're actually gonna have this this conversation on my channel. It's gonna be in Somali, but. I always say the loud people, the ones that are like the funniest, are the ones that are the most sensitive. And I feel like it's just a mask or like if, I don't know, you just don't want, you're just too sensitive. I don't know how to explain it, but the people like I've been around that are the loudest and the funniest, they're the most sensitive and the.
You know, I'm so grateful to what she just said, because part of my entire journey for creating my YouTube channel will always be mental health advocacy.
Yeah.
And the reason why I say that is, I think the word you're looking for, and this girl is like fluent in French, the word is empath. So empathy. A lot of artists, a lot of people that I roll with, poets, spoken word artists, playwrights, videographers, artists in general, they're very empathetic. And it was one of my mentors, Hawa Haji, she said to me, we are sensitive.
Yeah.
We see the world from this lens, and we wear our heart on our sleeves. So we want to be there for everyone, and then we expect the same.
That is the hard part, though.
And the world is not made like that.
Yeah.
This girl, there's not a lot of her in the world. You know, earlier we were talking about capacity. I always think it's a capacity issue, but she corrected me and she said, not everyone is like you.
Yeah.
That's why. So it's capacity and the fact that people are not, you know, cut from the same cloth, so to speak, exactly like you, which is the beauty. The diversity in the world is beautiful to me.
It's true. No, I had to come to that term, because at first I was like, why? Like, I helped that girl. Why is she not doing the same? And I don't like asking for help. So it should come from you. Like, I saw you, I see your potential, and I'm going to do everything I can do because it doesn't hurt me.
And the reason why, wallahi, I was not ready today to do a YouTube video. You know what she told me? You're going to do it. Yeah. And the reason why I'm saying that is sometimes you need someone to push you outside of your comfort. Yeah. Sometimes you need somebody to tell you, you know what? You got the energy. You got this. Since yesterday, a long time ago. Since yesterday, she's been telling me.
Yeah. You just have to believe in yourself. But I mean, like, what I was saying is, like, if you expect other people to do the same for you, you will always be disappointed. So me, just to be, like, you know, in peace with myself, I just tell myself, not everybody's the same. And sometimes, I don't know, but I can read people. Like, I see someone and I can feel for that person. But not everybody's like that.
Absolutely.
Some people will hate on you just because they don't feel comfortable around you. You know, because hatred, I mean, like, jealousy is a feeling that we all have.
100%. It's natural. We're Muslims, and, you know, if our hijab didn't tell you in our attire, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I got beautiful hair under here. I'm just saying. MashaAllah.
Jealousy, it's a human feeling. It's just the way you, I guess, I don't know, it's just the way you, help me here.
No, and my point I was going to make about Islam is even the women we look up to, our role models, Aisha radiallahu anha, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she felt jealousy.
Yeah.
These mothers and these women that we're supposed to look up to, and the fact that story is in there, or that hadith is in there.
To learn
There's a lesson that we're going to feel these things. It's natural.
You're gonna.
So it's a very natural feeling.
Yeah, it's a natural
But how
feeling.
do you push through it? And why are you jealous? Can you wish the same that you want for this person, for yourself?
Yeah.
Can you wish it? That's how I get through. How do you get through it?
I just tell myself, first of all, I acknowledge.
100%.
I acknowledge that this is a jealousy, like, I'm jealous. And then I ask myself, what are the reasons why I'm jealous? And then I'm like, okay, what is preventing you from getting whatever you're jealous of?
Absolutely.
But what helps me, how I cope with it, is I actively either be like, I'm proud of the person, so I tell the person, I'm so proud of you, and I just feel better about myself.
Which is why I'm here today. Wallahi, I don't want to get emotional. The reason why I'm here today is she told me, not only do I believe in you, not only am I proud of you. How you gonna be proud of someone you just met yesterday?
Girl, you're a legend. Like, I did not watch your video, but, like, I see the way you are, and you're just natural, you're raw. And the thing is, right now, you just need to bring that, you just need to bring, you know, the business side of it, get in touch with social media.
This video is taped, by the way, under COVID. We've been following, I'm just, you know, I always see that when you're watching Netflix, they're like, because you know the show's made 2021.
Yeah.
We're
both vaccinated.
We're fully vaccinated, so alhamdulillah, may Allah
for all those weird
us.
people who are going to comment and say... Side notes. Anyways,
this is such an amazing introduction video. I'm telling you.
But yeah, no, you have to believe in yourself. And I always tell you, I just met yesterday, but I've been telling
me a lot though.
Since yesterday, believe in yourself.
No,
you really have to,
100%.
and it's like affirmation in the morning when you wake up. And it's also one thing that you have to teach, you know, the young people, because we're so easy with, oh, you're not good at this, you know, he's better than you.
100%.
That just kills their self-esteem. But if you tell them you're a boss, you can do this, there's nothing that you cannot do if, like, you set up your mind, you know.
Absolutely.
So but it starts with you.
No,
So-
and just so I can tell you, I need to talk to this girl more. Not only am I going to have sessions like this where it's just raw and we're talking, but I want to keep it a little bit, you know, to the culture,
Yeah.
and have Shah and Sheka sessions with some of these people, and that's when she's going to come to my space, because it's different. It's different, even though the energy is through the roof. Even though I'm new in your home, and mashallah, I'm so proud to, you know, share the space with her. I want you to come to my space, and there you're going to see a lot more content where it's going to be a Shah and Sheko, where I ask her other questions and why she does what she does, you know?
You know the funny thing? I feel like this video is just gonna go on for like an hour. But the funny thing, yesterday when I sent her a message, I was like, I'm gonna start this new series called Shahia Sheka. We came up with the same name, but she obviously, she's been doing this for a while. But the reason why I wanted her to come on my channel, because it's just so hard to find someone, first of all, who's openly talking about mental health in the Somali community.
Absolutely.
So that's how I messaged her. And then I think you sent me a voice message.
I sent her a voice note and I said, you know, Shah and Sheko is actually a Somali like thing.
Yeah.
We serve tea and we talk.
We talk, yeah.
So it's not anything, when she says she's already been doing it, what she means is I have events in the community where I bring people out, and it's just for me to get people out of the house. It's been really hard with COVID and those events don't exist, but I'm going to start again with everybody being vaccinated and events being allowed to happen, because what fuels me is knowing the mental health of my community is sound, or can be sound, and a lot of people just need a place to go. So I provide a venue, I provide tea for real. My mom makes the best Somali tea. If you want to test her, you can't match my mom's tea. No qabiyah, that's what I'm just saying. At the end of the day, so when she said that, I said the exact same premise is what I want for my YouTube channel. And if you want these discussions to happen, you got to have them. I'm willing to talk about my mental health journey with you. And you're right, not a lot of people can be vulnerable. Vulnerability is not something easy. In the words of Hawa Haji, it's not easy. So that's why I really commend you for reaching out to me. And here we are. The journey starts with a single conversation, a single message, and you don't know how somebody is trying or striving for the same things as you. We have so much in common that the Me Too movement, every time I say Me Too, is going to be obsolete. That's
for other reasons.
Girl, I make jokes about everything. I need to tell you all the hijabs I wear. I use comedy to, like you realized yesterday, to deal with heavy issues. I think that's what you said.
Mechanism,
it's my coping mechanism. I laugh through the pain. That's why I like Kevin Hart when he says, laugh at my pain. And he's doing comedy, and it's the same thing. That's what helps me cope. And you said that's what you enjoyed about my approach. She came to my plays. Like she was a crowd member, and now I'm in her home. I don't know. For me, I get, you know, frisson.
Excusez-moi, madame.
Excusez-moi. Je parlais français. You didn't know? I wear many hats, many hijabs.
But mashallah, no, inshallah, we're gonna continue this discussion. This is your channel, so you have to conclude.
No. I didn't even know. See, the tutorial is alive. So in conclusion, please like, follow, share. For just rawness, for Shah and Sheko, for interviews, please do not put my channel in a box, because, you know, Halili, there's a Somali proverb, and I'm going to tell it in Somali and I'm going to tell it in English. Meaning, you can't put a camel's, thigh in your underarm and just walk around with it. So why I'm saying that saying is because I don't want you guys, I'm that camel thigh. And if you want to try to put this channel in a box, you won't be able to, because I don't even know what it means. But I don't know what exactly I should call it, except welcome to my journey. Welcome to my many hijabs that I wear in the community. And you'll understand once all of it is presented to you guys, why we couldn't say Habiba Ali, the social service worker, Habiba Ali, the playwright, Habiba Ali, the comedian, Habiba Ali, the spoken word artist, Habiba Ali, the mother, Habiba Ali, the daughter, Habiba Ali, the sister, because there's so many roles, so many hijabs that I wear that I'm not only proud of, but you guys need to hear and understand why that journey is pivotal for becoming and has made me who I am. And like I said, please stay tuned. Follow my girl. Follow me. Like, subscribe. We got this.
Bell notification. Never miss a post. Do you know what is bell?
That's the high school I can't even say that.
The what?
The high school my daughter goes to has the word bell in it. That's all I'm gonna say.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, so we gonna know about all things YouTube through my friend.
Inshallah.
And stay tuned, inshallah.
Stay tuned, guys.
Notifications.
Notifications.
God, it actually forget I know it. The bell.
Notifications, Anyways, guys, inshallah, to the next video. Assalam.
See you soon.